Welcome to Eduauraa. This is a biology teacher, Mustafa Sakarwala. Lungs. Carbon dioxide, which is produced as a result of respiration, is eliminated out through the lungs. Kidneys are basically two bean-shaped organs sitting below the ribs. However, your kidneys are very important organs which fails to get most of your attention. In fact, kidneys are the star player in the excretory system. Without them, your body would turn into a human toxic garbage dump. Yes, toxic garbage dump. Your kidneys function as the janitors of your body because they filter and remove the waste from the blood. Kidneys are about 10 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. They are located on either side of the backbone. The right kidney is slightly lower in level than the left one. Ureter is the tube which arises from the notch in the median surface of each kidney, and it is connected with the urinary bladder. The urine produced in the kidney constantly flows through the ureters and gets collected in the urinary bladder. Once the bladder becomes full, urine is emptied to the outside through the urethra. Stay tuned. This is Mustafa Sakarwala signing off for the day. We are going to have immense fun in the next class.